Intro to Robotics. So first off, we'll start off with what is robotics. As a very baseline definition, robotics is the field of designing, building, and coding a robot for some given purpose. So there are many different types of robotics. We're just going to get into two of the main ones. So first, there are pre-programmed robots, and these serve a single purpose. So for example, you have a mechanical arm screwing a car part. So the robot has this one job that it has to do, and it's going to do it over and over again. And its ultimate goal is to accomplish the task better than a human. Now, better can mean a lot of different things. It can mean faster, more efficiently, more effectively, or at the very least, it's saving time so that a human doesn't have to do it in its place. There are also humanoid robots, and these carry out human-like tasks, or they could be designed to look like humans. So for example, this could be running or carrying objects, or in some way mimicking human behavior. Other types include autonomous, teleoperated, augmenting, etc. So some real-world applications, just to name a few, are manufacturing. So like assembly lines and working in factories, robots could be there to, do that process very consistently. So, in places where there might be human error in doing the same simple task a lot of times, robots are really good at, consistency in some cases and just doing it again and again. Then there's transportation. So for example, Amazon with their robotic delivery systems, and in some way, maybe they're saving resources, whether that's time or in the long run, money potentially. The robots are, helping them do their task. Then there's healthcare. So robots could help with surgical procedures, and even if it doesn't, do the entire task or the entire surgery, even just doing some part of it is, a very common application of robots to just attack one simple part. And then there's even something as simple as like household vacuuming is a real world application. And then a couple more include security and entertainment. But these are just a few. Now, if you're interested in robotics, I would encourage you to take a look at our curriculum or potentially enroll in one of our courses.